Guys, what we're doing this week?
Okay.
We're starting.
Yeah, so just finished our spin planning. Pretty busy week all around, I think. But for me, a bit all over the place. So doing the Hex Seeds next DLC. So making a start on that. Just want to get the store page sent out, as well as the year 4 pass store page as well. And then towards the end of the week, maybe touching a bit more onto Rule Loop, because you do have to localise the achievements. It's like 200 odd that you're localising. So try and figure out quicker doing that, and we'll see what we get with that.
Yeah, and for me, and probably as well as Laura as well, we're working on the Blockout scene, the new Blockout scene for Sky's Advantage, for a new little visual slice of the game. So we'll be polishing up all the assets and making the game look really nice. I think that'll pretty much be the bulk of my week.
Yeah, I think that'll be a big bulk of my week as well. We just need to get that, like, some sort of visual indication of what we think the game's going to look like, just so we can send it out to publishers and stuff, and we'll all be working on that.
Yeah, okay, so it's been a really busy day today. I'm just recording from home because there's some cool things I want to show you that I was working on over the weekend, but today's been pretty insane. We've managed to get all this island done, all the navigation stuff seems to be looking alright. Creatures are spawning in these zones on the sides and then they're walking off when there should be, things like that, so it's all going really well. Laura and Jack have done an amazing job. Laura working on these side bits here, and Jack on this cliff and staircase bit over here. Really good job from the guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show some of the other bits that I've been working on. It's a bit more technical. So one of the issues we've had long-standing in the game are these seams. It's very bad on this tree, but basically when the UV maps to a texture, you were basically getting these seams. So I've gone ahead and made a Photoshop script to sort of fix that. And basically what it does is it just expands the area around the edges of these gaps, and it basically just fills it in with an approximation of what colour it should be. So essentially, when it's looking at the very edge of an object here, it should be able to, if it doesn't land correctly on the perfect pixel, then it should be able to pick up a pixel that's pretty good approximation, so it's not defaulting to black like these lines are here. Yeah, because I think if we just quickly look, yeah, this is the texture for the tree here. You can see the outside skirts are black, and it's basically just like it's averaging out the colour on these edges, and that's an issue that we just need to fix. Done it for the creatures, and it seems to have worked quite well. If you play the demo, there are a lot of seams on the creatures, the bow and the thorn particularly, but I don't see any seams right now. Maybe? No? I think they're looking good. But yeah, this script is quite cool. So we just click the bottom, and then it's just a very small script, and it runs it 500 times. So it makes a copy of the layer that you're on, it moves it up 1 pixel, saves it, makes another copy, moves it right 1 pixel, and it basically does that in a square, and then it does that 500 times. So you're basically going to extrude 500 pixels from the image itself. And yeah, I've got a lot of these to be doing. The folder size for this is quite big, so I just need to go through tonight and get through every asset, just in case we want to use one of them for the build on Wednesday.
A few moments later.
And yeah, this is what it looks like when it's done. So it does look a lot weirder. That's why we haven't really been doing it in the past. But yeah, this will functionally work a lot better in game.
So, big long day of working on this art build that we've been doing all together, and it's looking really good now. So I managed to get a lot of Laura's assets in, and for the Corgi and the Mew, is that what we call it? Meow. But yeah, hopefully Jack's going to try and get these, just a bit of an idle animation on them so they look like they're breathing and not stuffed. But yeah, the assets themselves are looking really good. There's a couple more things we've got in here, like the stair thing, the bench, a couple of stone assets as well. And yeah, we've just been trying to get the this main floor area working as nice as possible. So Jack's been working on the minecart area, which is looking really nice, and then we've got these like surrounds and stuff that Laura's been working on, and it's all coming together quite nicely. There's still a bunch of work to do. I want to kind of put a bunch of stuff in this area, just to kind of show off the game a bit more. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with progress right now.
Today has been spent all with Hexseed for myself, so I made some levels for the screenshots, but more important is to get the store pages sent off, so that's the year 4 pass. for Hexseed sent off. It's only got one screenshot at the minute. I'll be updating that with screenshots from other levels, or other worlds, sorry, as we continue through the year. As well as that, we have the first DLC pack for the actual individual DLCs. That's been sent off as well. Both waiting to be reviewed by Valve, but most of the days take up actually getting prepped for the rest of the year as well. So all of the assets all the way up to December's DLC have been made, and that's across the 4 different languages that we translate Hexseed's assets into as well. So yeah, it's been quite a long day getting that all done, but it's all done now, and then what we need to be done for the rest of the year.
So yesterday was a really busy day. Again, we were working on the visual slice of the game. So yesterday was all about building up this mine area, and so far it's looking really good. I think Rob is happy with it. It looks okay in game. There was a bit of difficulty trying to get Lowe's sort of grass textures on top of here, but we managed to figure it out, and overall it looks pretty cool. I don't know how it looks in game yet, but overall looking pretty good. But for this morning, I'm going to be working on the ARPed pass again. I'm making a few little assets just to add a little bit of fluff to some of the areas, and today I thought I would make some quicker branches, or this morning I should make some quick branches, and they're pretty good. It's so much faster doing Substance Painter, so I did 7 just for some variation, and now I'm going to go back into Blender and do some rocks as well, so we'll see how those get on.
So that's sort of update in progress. Today I'm trying to localize the achievements for Bloop, which has been quite an outstanding task for a couple of weeks now. I forgot to blur most of this so you can't see the details on the left here, but on the right is essentially the translated version of the achievements. And the main reason for trying to do it this way instead is because the data entry itself is much quicker and easier. I can just literally enter each field with a copy and paste, change the level names, etc., and the book names, as opposed to using the Steam method or back-end software of having to save and enter every single achievement one by one really slowly. So hopefully this will be much faster. I haven't actually tested uploading the full document yet, but as you can see I'm getting towards the bottom of the French translation, so once I've finished this I'll be uploading it, and fingers crossed it'll work, and if so it'll save a lot of time.
Okay, so yesterday was a pretty busy day. A little bit of a shorter day for me, but I did manage to get some more colouring pixels work done for the Lunar New Year DLC. And this one's definitely the highlight for the day, which is this sort of classic looking Lunar New Year candle. I thought I'd put it in quite a dark background so I could add a lot of contrast to this one. And overall, I'm quite happy with it. But as for this morning, I'm going to continue on with the work. I'd started this pattern image yesterday and I really don't like it. There's a few parts that are asymmetrical and I really don't know what to do with this center image. So I'm going to spend some time trying to figure this out before moving on to the next one.
So it's been another day of localizing the achievements. So going to get 2 more done today. Got Korean and Italian done. Finished up French and German last night. And yeah, slowly getting more into the swing of it. So I'm sort of like learning how it works. Managed to get these uploaded without any errors this time. So hopefully it'll be a bit more smoother sailing going forward.
Okay, so long story short, I didn't do this image as I intended to. I didn't want to. It was annoying me, so I gave up on it for a little while. I'll come back to it next week. But I did draw some cute little animals. I won't show them all off, but I did do this cute bunny image. A lot of the art styles for Lunar New Year consists of golds and reds. So I thought I would try and mix it up for this one, but still try to keep that sort of style that we're going for. And overall, I'm quite happy with it. I haven't shown the guys it. Hopefully they think that, you know, it kind of looks, you know, the kind of right sort of theme. So yeah, I'm going to go for now. Overall, quite happy with that one.
I feel like this is broken. It didn't used to sink this far down, you know. Like proper, like...
How hard did it sound?
Oh, it wasn't me.
Slammed it.
Guys!
Hello.
Hello.
It's the weekend!
Yeah?
Yep. Yeah, so...
Are you starting?
Colouring Pixels. Lunar New Year DLC comes out next week. That's looking pretty good. Go check it out. Happy Lunar New Year, by the way.
Yeah, but we've also got Hexseed coming out as well. Lee sent off the store pages this week, so fingers crossed that'll be available for you to wishlist and stuff. The year pass as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone on Discord. Thanks to the people who probably tuned in to Jack's stream today. At the time of this video.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and yeah, cool.
Thank you. Woo.